Hello friends, my name is Vita. I like Blender and I think that you like it too because you are here now. So today I wanted to create a nice mosaic material, something that looks like small tiles with glowing cracks between them. I made everything using procedural textures in Blender editor, so there are no images, textures at all. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Alright, so first I add a nose texture. This gives the surface some random variation so it doesn't look like too flat. And I set it to 3D, turn on normalize, and then play with the scale and the roughness until I get a pattern which I like. Next I drop in a color ramp to boost the contrast. This helps make the dark and light areas more visible. And of course here you can choose color, what you want, what you like. And I connected that color ramp to the base color of Principal BSDF shader. Yeah, that's what I do. And then I increase the roughnesses to around 0.7, so the surface looks a bit matte, kind of like ceramic or stone. Okay, next our step, I start building the actual mosaic pattern. I add another noise texture, again 3D, and use it to add some distortion. Then I plug it into a multiply node so I can control how strong that distortion is. Next I connect it to a Voronoi texture and I switch it to distance to edge mode. And that gives me those nice clean lines that separate each tile. I adjust the scale and randomness until it looks like a proper mosaic. After that, I use another color ramp to easily adjust the edges. Those are going to be the glowing parts later on. Next step, I take that color ramp and plug it into Emission shader. I give it a bright color and set the straight to around 8, maybe a little bit more. And this creates that soft glow effect along the cracks. Next, I use a mix shader to combine my Principal BSDF with the Emission shader. Set the factor, and so the glow shows only in certain areas, not everywhere. That's what we need to do. Then I connect the mix shader to material output, and the material is done. Woohoo, yeah! We made it. Of course, you can change the data of every node. You can change color, straight, scale, roughnesses, and you can make your own mosaic material like you like you need. Yeah. And now I wanna make one picture, small picture. It will be a cat. I made it in Adobe Illustrator, and now I wanna import the SVG file with this picture, and then I will use it, and I wanna make different colors. With different scales, different roughnesses, and a little bit plain with this material. It will be very easy. I just use only 2-step here in Blender. So it's I go to Object Data Properties, and here I go to Geometry and use Extrude what I want. And then I go to material. Of course, in this picture I tried to use only our material, mosaic material, and if I wanna change color or scale or roughnesses in another part of my picture, I need to duplicate my material with another name, and then I can change color and everything. So I go to material properties, then push to number second, because it shows like we have two objects with this material. We push to number 2, and Blender create another material, and then you can change color and everything. And I wanted to add reference of this picture because I wanna take all colors from the picture. It's more easy. So yeah, I add the image now. Okay, so alright, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you how I make the material using only nodes, and now you can try it out yourself, I hope. And next I will speed up the video a little bit so you can see the final result. And hey, thanks so much for your like, subscribe, and for your feedback. It really means a lot and helps me keep creating more tutorials, yes, like this. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.